Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to create beautiful glass looking nails but colorful. Keep watching. So this is basically the video that is following my previous video in which I create glass looking nails. It means the basic are transparent. I created with polygel, so if you're interested in how I created my polygel nails extension glass looking, here or here, here or here, you will have the link to my video. In this video what I will do is basically paint them, and I will not just paint them, but I also will create a glass looking French, and all you need to create this effect is jelly looking hybrid or gels or glass effect gels. So if you want to see how I create these colorful glass looking nails, just keep watching. These are the nails I will work on. I extend them with transparent polygel. So the first things I apply is always a base. I will use this one extent of Semilac, but it's just because I couldn't find my regular base, because usually I apply regular base. It depends how much unevenness eventually you have on your surface, but these were pretty well polished, so I don't need to apply such a thick base like this one. I will dry my base in the lamp and leave on the sticky layer. On this first nail I will use Indigo Glass in color Barbados and Clarissa Jelly in Emerald. And I will go in with the first color, which is Barbados of Indigo Glass, which is the lighter that I have. I apply a first thin layer and dry it in the lamp, and then I will apply a second layer to intensify more the color. I will dry it in the lamp. And now I will use the second color, which is this Emerald Jelly of Clarissa. I will dump a little bit on my plate, and with a thin brush I will create with this color my transparent French, which has to be a color that is a little bit darker or the first one that you choose in, and obviously a color that is match the base that you use. So as this one is like a greenish color, a green on a French I believe is a good combination, or also you can use a blue in alternative if you don't have a green. So that's my way to create a French. I starting with these two crossing lines, and then I fill it up, and I basically try to get the shape I like more, but I'm not considering myself a French monster, so you do it as you do, and I do it this way. Also, it's very important to not make this layer of French too thick, because I will basically leave it this way. So just always be careful to not be too thick in the application. I dried my French in the lamp, and then I will basically create this other like under French line, let's say, because I left in purpose the white going through of my natural drawing on the nails under the transparent, because I had this kind of sort of idea, but it ended up to be like an improvisation, and I believe in the end it's going to be a good look. Ready to go, I will dry it in the lamp now. And in the end, top coat. When I apply my top coat, I try to even it up the surface as much I can, because obviously I have some outstanding line there, and also the French that can give a little bit of the thickness, but I don't really care even if it's standing a little bit out, because if I will file it extra again, I'm concerned I'm going to remove the color. For the second one, I will use the Clarissa Jelly Effect in Plum and Violet, obviously starting again with the lighter color as a base, and I will use the darker color to create the French. And again, creating two layers. I dry the first layer in the lamp, and now I'm going in with the second layer. And to create the French, again using the same method to create my French. I absolutely love the random brush hair that is sticking up there, but I noticed that, I think, while I was doing it, but it wasn't bothering me, to create my artwork, so I just left it there. Surely are not the most expensive brushes that I use. And if, like me, you don't get it straight the first time, you can always clean it after. I basically took a second brush, dumped it in cleaner, and just clean up and give more roundness to this line. Next, I will use again Indigo Glass in Rose Water and Plum of Clarissa Jelly Effect. Applying again a first thin layer, I will dry it in the lamp, and then I will apply again a second one, and obviously dry it in the lamp before my French. Second layer, and again repeating all the same, basically with different colors. Applying top coat, next I will use Clarissa Jelly Orange and Ginger, obviously the lighter one on the base and the darker one for the French. Applying two layers again, obviously after each of them is dry. For my last nail, I will use Ginger and Red of Clarissa Jelly. Again, the lighter color as a base and the darker color for the French. At the end I always apply cuticle oils. Always cleaning out the excess oil. And here we go, guys. Here is my transparent but colorful with French looking look. I think it's a great look for summer, and I truly hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, which is a like. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content. Write me something in the comment down below if it's your pleasure. And thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!